It absolutely, when I mean rain, it was.
Okay, so I'm at Team Bath because my friend Becky kindly gave me a lift. But this is going to be the last one for two reasons. One, because the track's closed for the rest of August. And the second reason is because I haven't got a car, as I said in my last vlog. And for the foreseeable future, I won't have a car. So I'm just going to do an easy session tonight. Just a warm-up and probably 4 200s at a nice relaxed pace. And then on Saturday, I've got my next race, which is an 800 in Yate. It's a Masters event. Okay, so 4 200s at about 800 meter pace, so about 31, 32, with plenty of recovery. Okay, well, that was 32. Didn't feel as easy as it should, but at least it was the right pace. So let's start the next one from over here. I'll give myself about 3 minutes recovery, something like that. Should be plenty with 800 meter pace. Lovely evening. So since I've been back from England, it's been quite cold, but tonight it's actually, or today, it's been quite warm. So okay, 3 more of those. Let's try and hit 31, 32 for each one. And if I can do that, at least I've got the pace right. And on Saturday, all I have to do is just go off at that pace and hold it for as long as I can.
I'm faster.
Okay, that was 32 again. Felt a bit more relaxed this time. Still feels a bit quicker than race pace. Shouldn't do really, but I am tired. So hopefully by Saturday it'll feel easier. So 2 more of those and then I'm done. Okay, that was 32 again. So not too bad. Okay, let's take you with me on this one.
Is that a bit slower?
See how this goes. Ready? That time was then. I felt relatively, well, I think running with the camera makes me faster. That was 30.7, so can't complain of that. Not exactly the best way to run though. Arms all over the place. Trying to keep this camera still. That one compensates. Okay, that felt quite good actually. So, right, that's the taper session. Just got to cool down a stretch and I'm finished. And see how it goes on Saturday. Come on guys, keep it there all the way. Well done. Come on mate, all the way. Come on Louise. That's good, Louise. Keep it there, nice and strong. Relax the shoulders. That's it. You got this. Keep it strong. Yeah, it's still, oh no, wait, hang on, it's 2 minutes in. Oh, the 8's done now. I'm just cooling down, feeling quite tired today, and I didn't have a very good run, to be honest. I know it's windy, but alright, it's windy. I had a nice race with this guy. It's windy, but just felt really flat, and I was kind of leaning back a bit, I think because of the wind. I don't know what it was, but it was quite slow again. I found myself leading a pack of 3 of us, I think it was, and I don't think I went quite fast enough. Went through the bell in about 67, 68, way too slow still. Do you know what, my arms are really heavy and tired. I think I'm still recovering. I still haven't finished my antibiotics. I've got 1 more antibiotic to take from my ear infection, so that's probably not helping. I'm still not getting the right amount of sleep. Well, I'm still not getting the right sleep pattern, so I'm going to bed too late, waking up too late. So, a bit annoying. I don't know what the time was. I'll post it up here later when I find out. But I'm guessing about 2:15, 2:16 or something. So, oh, that bloody wind. That looks like Pete up there. Pete did the 15 earlier and ran pretty well, considering you went off really quick. And then today you went off quite, in the 800, went off quite quick again, and managed to just hold on.
Yeah, it's safe to say, coming from a distance more 15 upwards, if I'm going to double on the day, I can't do the shorter distance very well second.
Oh, it's hard, isn't it?
The other way around, I'm not too bad.
Yeah, it's okay the other way around. They used to do it the other way around, so yeah. I don't know. I'm just going to cool down and go home and eat chocolate and sweets, which I shouldn't really do. But plan is to start training a bit more now over the next 2 weeks. Get more miles in, get more core strength training in, build a base. I haven't got a race for at least 3 weeks, so it gives me a chance just to train. And when's your next race, Pete?
Probably the Avon Open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that might be mine as well, potentially.
Yeah.
So we might end up doing that together. So what do you think you'll do, a 3K?
I'm going to do probably both 800s because it's first. And
Yeah.
3K.
Well, that'd be a good combination. Actually, do you know what? That could be tempting for me to do. Don't know, see how I feel. On with the training, and I'll see you in the next race. Cheers. You never know, do you, really?
No.
Because if you take it on, and the other guys are being a bit tactical.
Yeah, he would have sat kicked me anyway, so
Yeah.
we had a good race, and he kind of got very tactical. He was pushing me out in lane 2 as I was coming around the bend.
Oh wow, okay.
So it was getting quite
yeah.
tasty. But,
Yeah, yeah.